Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace 3.0T. Or 30T, I should say. It's actually a really nice spec on this one. Kind of the entry-level spec, but still very nice inside. So it features the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 296 horsepower, 290. Actually, it might be 295 horsepower, 295 pound-feet. The number's essentially the same. Not sure what trim level this is. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on the trim level, but my video title should say. So what I can do, go one better. P7869, refine, not refine, view results. It is the Prestige. And then there's your internet price. $36,000. Actually, it's not bad. All your different drive modes. What is this, low friction launch? So I guess that is for ice and stuff. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, let's go for a drive. Features the ZF 8-speed automatic. It's a nice stop sign you got there. Normally I'm not a fan of 2-liter turbos. This one has the power and torque to make it okay with me. It's properly quick. Jaguar's always been based around driving feel and involvement. Put in sport mode to use the paddles. I forgot about that. And then to deactivate manual mode, hold the upshift paddle. while this is essentially your entry-level trim, still tons of features. You want more power, get an SVR. You know, you have tons of configuration abilities with these things. First time driving one. Only Jaguar I've driven before this was an F-Type. So it's honestly a really, really good car, SUV. Really nice to drive, really comfortable. Just overall a nice vehicle. Actually, yeah, I'll keep it in sport. Have to tighten up my camera. That is a little weird, I will be honest. It's a little weird to have everything up there, but that's just something you'll get used to anyway. And then once you just kind of calm down, it's a comfortable cruiser. I really, really like it. It's a very, very nice car. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.